What if you had to repopulate the planet? If you and one other person were the last survivors on Earth, could you really rebuild humanity? The answer isn't as simple as it sounds. You've probably heard the story. The world ends, and two survivors, a man and a woman, find each other and repopulate the planet. In no time, Earth is bustling with life again, and everyone lives happily ever after. But reality paints a far more complicated picture. The first generation of children would all be siblings. Their children, in turn, would be cousins. This raises a serious genetic issue: inbreeding. Each person carries 2 copies of every gene, one from each parent. Some of these copies may carry harmful mutations. Normally, having one bad copy isn't a problem, but if 2 closely related people have children, the risk of both passing down matching harmful genes skyrockets. This can lead to a wide range of genetic disorders, birth defects, and serious health issues. We've seen this before in history. European royal families often married within their bloodlines to keep power consolidated. Over generations, this practice caused severe health problems. A famous example is Charles II of Spain, whose lineage was so genetically damaged that he suffered multiple physical and mental disabilities, couldn't walk until he was 8, and ultimately left no heirs. Even if more than one couple survived, it wouldn't solve the problem completely. A phenomenon called the founder effect would come into play. In small, isolated populations, rare and harmful traits become common because there's not enough genetic diversity. Over time, deadly conditions could spread through the entire group, putting humanity's future at risk. With today's advanced healthcare, the first few generations might survive despite these challenges. And there is still hope. Throughout history, small, isolated groups of humans have managed to thrive against genetic odds. It would be a long, difficult journey, but not an impossible one. What kind of society would emerge? Would we all end up speaking the same language, or living under a single world government? Those are fascinating questions, but they'll have to wait for another episode. Curious about more mind-bending what-if scenarios? Dive into our channel for more exciting content, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an adventure.